Let's see.
To Leo, my man TJ, a whole lot good to see me from North Carolina. We tried some of these new little explosive things again. Something like Tannerite. If he can hit it, we'll see. He's got it on safety. Lord of mercy. Can't shoot shit on safety though.
Let's see.
Let's see. I love to watch shit explode. And he's missing. God damn though. What that did to it? It did explode though. Shit.
It made a black mark on it.
Let's go look and see what that thing did. Should have put about 10 of them on it.
And then now we're again.
Yeah. Yeah, at least you did hit it out of number 2.
Got a hell of a burn mark on it.
Oh, yeah, I imagine what about 10 of them do.
But then a good little burn mark on it.
Oh, yeah, still tear something up, I reckon. The new little patches from, I guess, made by their fire or something. Yeah, you hit it. Look at it. Firebird 6B. Put them on little targets. You shoot you down. Little targets or whatever. Hell, 10 come in a pack. I imagine what 10 of them be on there. It might be something different.
I wonder if 2 of them doubled up to do it.
I don't know. Maybe 3. I don't know. But we might just see. Y'all have a good one. Peace.